In today's session, we are going to learn about present time. If you remember, in our previous session, we learned two words, and those were was and were that related to past tense. हमने भूतकाल से रिलेटेड दो वर्ड्स की थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करी थी जो कि थे was and were. आज हम प्रेजेंट टाइम के बारे में बात करेंगे. इसके अंदर हम we will learn the most common three words that we use if we are talking about present tense or present time. What are the three words? Those are is, am and are. So let's start. As I told you that today we are going to learn the three words is, am, are. First of all, we will understand कि इनका uses कैसे कैसे होता है. What are the main rules where we need to follow them to use the three words. So we will start from the word is. Present time. You need to take care of that. We are talking about present time only, not past and not future. अब हमें is use करना है तो उसका रूल क्या है? If the subject is a singular noun, अगर हमारा subject singular noun है, then we can use the word is. And if we talk about pronouns, pronoun words like he, she, it, they all related to singular form of subject. So with the help of the examples, we will try to understand how we use this little word. So as I told you, singular noun में किसी का नाम हो सकता है. जैसे राम is my friend. राम सिंगुलर नाउन है, इसलिए हमने राम के साथ में is यूज किया है. सेकंड है he is very smart. he सिंगुलर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, that's why we can use is with he. so he is very smart. उसके बाद आता है she is good in maths. she सिंगुलर है, so we can use is with she. it is raining means बारिश हो रही है. कब हो रही है? अभी हो रही है. नेक्स्ट इज अजय इज गोइंग समवेयर. अजय सिंगुलर है, that is why we can use is with Ajay. So Ajay is going somewhere. अजय कहीं पर जा रहा है अभी. So in this way you can easily make sentences with the help of is. Two rules are, if the subject is singular noun or if we use pronouns like he, she, it, then we can use the word is with these two types of subjects. Now next word is am. The only word that we use with the word am is I. I के अलावा हम किसी और word के साथ में am use नहीं करते हैं. The only word that we use the word am is the pronoun I. Let's see some examples. I am going somewhere. मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ. I am good in maths. मैं गणित में बहुत अच्छा हूँ. I am a student of 6th class. मैं 6th class का student हूँ. I am able to do this work. मैं इस काम को करने में सक्षम हूँ. I am going to participate in annual function. मैं annual function में participate करने जा रहा हूँ. Again I am repeating, today we are talking about present time only, not the past and not the future. So in this way we can easily understand how do we use the pronoun I along with am. So I am going, I am good, I am a student, I am able to do this work, I am going to participate in annual function. These are some of the examples that will help you to understand today's concept better. Third word is are. जैसे हमने इज़ को यूज़ करते हुए सीखा था कि वी यूज़ इज़ विथ singular nouns and pronouns like he, she, it. When we use are, we need to take care of about that we use it with plural nouns plus pronouns like we, they and you. Students are working on their projects. विद्यार्थी या students that represent plural, that's why we can use the word are. Students are working on their projects. Second is we are going to our class. We बहुवचन है, plural है, so we can use the word are with it. Third is they are playing together. We are talking about more than one person, so we have used they. So that's why we have used are. They are playing together. Next is you are the best. तुम best हो. And do not forget and always remember you के साथ हम हमेशा are use करेंगे. And the last example is Indians are very smart and talented. जो भारतीय हैं वो बहुत स्मार्ट हैं और बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स वेयर वी कैन यूज़ द वर्ड आर. द ओनली रूल दैट वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ इज इफ़ द सब्जेक्ट इज़ प्लूरल नाउन, मतलब हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो बहुवचन है. और रूल नंबर 2 इज़ अगर कोई प्रोनाउन है जैसे वी, दे, यू, then we can use the word are. So with the help of these examples of is, am, are, you can easily identify कि subject के according whether it is singular or plural हम is, am, are में से कौन सा word use कर सकते हैं. Now we will talk about negative sentences. Now just in case if we want to convert these sentences into negative, तो negative हम change कैसे करेंगे? कुछ नहीं करना है, we simply add not after is, am, are. is, am, are के बाद में हमें not add करना है. The sentence will automatically convert into negative sentence. So that's all for the day. I hope you have got the meaning to use is, am, are. आपको आज के सेशन में पता चला होगा कि is, am, are को हम किस तरह से यूज़ करते हैं. Do not forget one thing that the more you practice, the more you will learn and the more you will come to know how do we use the topics that we are studying in our sessions in your daily life. So till we meet again, take care and bye bye.